Hi everyone, I'm Jeanette, founder of eTail Maven eCommerce Consulting. We talked about how to measure the performance of your website in the last two videos. We covered the industry standard benchmarks that you want to measure against for bounce rate, shopping cart abandonment rate, and conversion rate. And we touched on some general possible culprits that could be causing poor performance. Today, I want to walk you through the math behind what we covered using a case study from one of my client projects. This client is in the beauty industry with a highly replenishable product category. With products that we replenish often, like shampoo, you would expect to see a high conversion rate. More people than average would be coming to the site to repurchase, so they would be less likely to bounce, less likely to exit, less likely to abandon their cart, and more likely to check out. They would already know that they intend to purchase before even arriving at the website. So the conversion rate with a replenishable product is high, normally. This wasn't the case for my client. It was below average. So digging a little deeper, I found that the abandoned cart rate was high. This meant something was likely causing an issue within the checkout process. Sometimes a lot of little issues can add up, and I couldn't be certain if the mini cart or actual checkout, or perhaps a disconnect along the purchase path from the category page to checkout was the issue. So I had to comb through the site as if I was a customer. Often we are too close to our own website to effectively do this ourselves. We know the path we want the customer to take, and it seems the most logical to us, so we miss what strays from our imagined ideal path. What I found were several very simple things to fix. I presented my findings to the client, they made the changes, and the very next month, shopping cart abandonment rate improved by 9 percentage points. Conversion increased by over 40%, and sales went from being down double digits to being up double digits. It was over an 80 percentage point swing in their business. Amazing, right? Let's look at the math for the impact to the metrics with changes like this. Let's take a website that gets 100,000 unique visitors on average per month. At the high shopping cart abandonment rate, that would mean 3,000 abandoned carts. At the low conversion rate, that would mean only 1,000 would check out. If we used an average order value of $100, that would mean on average we would see 100,000 in demand sales per month, or 1.2 million per year. With the website optimizations and the same 100,000 average unique visitors per month, but with the decrease in shopping cart abandonment rate and more visitors converting, that would mean 1,420 checkout. At the same average order value, or AOV as we call it, of $100, that would equal an average of $142,000 in demand sales per month, or 1.7 million per year. That's $500,000 more in sales per year than without the improvements. All those sales missed because of the user experience issues not noticed by the untrained eye. I'm sure we'd all be happy to have found an extra $500,000 in sales left on the table, no? Now, not every user experience assessment turns up something this juicy. If they did, that's all I'd do all day, every day. Now let's take it a step further. Let's say you're about to step on the gas with your digital marketing efforts by investing in paid initiatives to drive more traffic to the website. Let's say you're going to drive 2 times as much qualified traffic. Would you rather see all that new traffic convert at the low conversion rate or at the high conversion rate? I'm pretty sure you'd rather your efforts delivered 2 million in incremental sales instead of 1 million, right? This is why my advice is to always clean up the house before inviting company over. I can't stress enough how important it is to optimize your website before investing heavily in marketing initiatives. When a potential customer abandons a website due to user experience issues, they often never return and you lose them for good. So why would anyone spend money driving incremental new visitors to a website that isn't performing at its best and risk losing that traffic they are paying to capture? I wouldn't. Follow this page for more e-commerce words of wisdom in my quarantine series. If you have an e-commerce topic you wish I would cover, please add it to the comments below for me to consider. Stay healthy, folks.